Students, today we are looking at the symbols used in the play Ghosts, written by Henrik Ibsen. The major symbols used in the play are that of the sun, the fire, and the pipe. The sun in the play represents the aesthetic beauty, enlightenment, energy, joy, illumination of truth, rebirth, and purification. These ideas are all associated with the Apollonian truth and purity. Apollo, as you all know, is the Greek god of music, poetry, and art. Oswald Alving's cry for the son of Paris shows the driving energy and aestheticism of an artist painter. Fire, as evident from the burning of the orphanage, represents destruction and is associated with misalignment of any good cause associated with evil. In the play, the burning of the orphanage, which was built in the memorial of the late degenerate Captain Alving, proves this idea. Pipe. The pipe that Captain Alving smokes is also shown to be used by Oswald, his son, in the first scene. Captain Alving forced Oswald to smoke it when he was a child, symbolically transforming, or rather completing, the transformation of Oswald into himself. Mrs. Alving didn't like the idea of Oswald smoking then, and she did not even like it now. It reveals her antipathy or hatred towards her late husband. The pipe, some critics opine, may also have been Ibsen's intended vehicle by which the father, that is Captain Alving, transferred his syphilis to his son, Oswald. The other symbols are that of the orphanage, the Seamen's Hotel, syphilis, and rain. The orphanage is the symbol of the ghosts, the lies, the repressions Mrs. Alving has carried with her or perpetrated as she tried to extinguish the memories of her husband from her life and consciousness. It is a perverted symbol, and it also contains elements of Engstrand's devilishness and Pastor Mander's hypocrisy. The Seamen's Hotel is the brothel that Engstrand wants to start for sailors and rich captains. It stands for something more suitable to be built in memory of the late degenerate Captain Alving. The brothel symbolizes the profligacy or degeneration of the society, and it stands as a site for destruction of a woman, in this play represented by Regina Engstrand. Syphilis. Captain Alving transfers his disease of syphilis to his son, and the disease serves the symbolic function of the sins of the father, by which the child is going to suffer and finally die. Rain. Ibsen describes the weather of Norway as foggy and that of having continuous rains. This steady rain gives the feeling of the dark and sorrowful atmosphere, foreshadowing the mood of Ibsen's play. In literature, weather often serves as a mirror for the characters within the story. In this case, the dismal weather reflects the dismal lives of the Alving family. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.